Hey guys, we wanted to talk to you about our favorite pre-workouts. So you've probably heard of like the beet chews, beetroot powder. Beets are pretty good at helping my body produce nitric oxide. And you know, we don't shop at some of these big box stores that have all these different formulas and nutritional products and health food products. Most of those products, and I can comment on this because I used to use them over 2 decades ago, thinking I was doing a good thing. And they work really well, actually. Some of the synthetic and stimulant type pre-workouts, they get you going. However, we're always trying to find the safest, most effective, least damaging, if there is something of that nature, in our body to help upgrade the body versus just tearing it apart and getting a temporary stimulant effect. That's not good. So we have literally found something better than the beetroot products out there, beetroot powder. So our bodies actually produce nitric oxide, and every decade we age, we actually lose about 10 to 15% of that nitric oxide production in our own body. And so heart disease is the #1 killer. So I would imagine that probably contributes to that. So over time, when we lose that nitric oxide production, our arteries maybe start to clog a little bit because the blood flow is not pushing through properly. 4 of our favorite pre-workouts. One is a B complex, and this helps basically with extra blood flow, energy. We all know B vitamins help with energy, but also be careful with this a little bit because you might get a niacin flush, and a lot of people get scared when they get a niacin flush. It's nothing dangerous or scary, but you kind of get a little flushed when you have blood flow, when you absorb something well. And this has an enzyme blend that allows it to be 100% absorbed. You get a niacin flush sometimes. So I get this bright red face. It's kind of a tingling sensation. It usually lasts about 5 to 10 minutes. So don't let that startle you. That just means you're absorbing the niacin, and that's a good thing. So when we combine this, I take this about an hour before I work out, and then I take the cardio wear also about an hour before I work out. So I usually do about 1 of these because if I do 2, I do get that flush. Some people can take 3 or 4 without that. But then I'll take 2 or 3 of the cardio wear. So that's about an hour before your workout. That's gonna help with energy. And it's not a stimulant energy, it's true oxygenation and nitric oxide production, which we lose over time, as we mentioned. So then about 15 to 20 minutes before my workout, and sometimes in the middle of my workout, if I'm doing a long workout, we have 2 sprays. And so one is an ATP spray. And as you guys might know, ATP is where a lot of research is going now, because ATP is literally the energy source of our whole body. That's literally how our cells are functioning right now. Without ATP, we literally drop dead, okay? So this is gonna help produce, again, it's the precursors to help me produce more ATP. So again, a real energy, not a stimulant energy. And then we have this other product called Cardio Mist or Rocket Tonic. This product is incredible. This is another nitric oxide producer, but it's absorbed immediately. It's a micro dose. And when you spray this, maybe you can demonstrate for them. When you spray this, it literally has tens of thousands, if not more, tiny little droplets get absorbed directly into the buccal mucosa of your cheeks. So it bypasses, your liver and all these other things. It goes in your body immediately. It's a microdose. So this stuff is incredible. When you pair these up, 10 to 15 minutes before your workout, and you do these about an hour before the workout, just try it for 60 days. It's pretty incredible. People recover more quickly. They have more energy. They can push harder, longer. They have more endurance. And it's pretty incredible. So we want to find things that are safer, more causative, and less dependent on our body, right? We can become dependent on caffeine and some of these other things, but this is by far our cleanest, most effective pre-workouts we've ever come across.
Yeah, it's really become my go-to, not only for my workouts, but just throughout the day. So actually, I carry these with me everywhere I go, and it's a clean boost of energy. I just feel like it really just keeps me going, but it helps with clarity and focus as well. So it's just so much more than just a pre-workout.
Absolutely. Thank you for bringing us to that point. It's we take these daily actually. So, but when you want to use them for your workout, take them before the workout. But we all are deficient in oxygen and nitric oxide production as we age. So try this out, give it 60 days. Let us know how you do.